Good morning, students. In the CET problems, we stopped at 14 in the previous class, and 15th I am leaving it to you. There is a concept related problems of assertion and reasoning. You just go through that. If you don't understand, you can ask me. Next, 16th question. Capacitor of 10 microfarads is connected to the battery of 100 volts. Find the voltage of the battery to charge the capacitor. So, capacitor connected to the battery of the voltage V. Then capacitor voltage is also V only. After disconnecting also, voltage difference across the capacitor will be V only. Charge that is made. Battery do not provide the charges. It only makes the charges to flow through it from one plate to other plate. Electrons flow from plus to minus. Losing electrons, it becomes plus, it becomes a minus. Okay, whatever work done to move the charge is nothing but equal to store as the energy on the capacitor plates. That is the electrostatic potential energy. The formula for the energy of the capacitor plates, we have three formulas. This is the capacitor. Energy of the capacitor is U equal to half QV or half CV square as Q square by T. So you can modify one from the other using the formula C equal to Q by V relationship. From this you can modify this. Okay, you have to remember any modifications useful for this. Next is work done by the battery. So work is done by the battery to store the charges. Fully charged means Q. After fully charged, what is the work done? So from the potential difference formula, what is the formula we have for the battery is V equal to W by Q. V is actually potential difference. And work becomes equal to V into Q. So work done by the battery is nothing but equal to W equal to QV. But energy stored is half QV. Half energy only stored. That means whatever the energy work done by the battery is not equal to energy stored in the capacitor. Okay, half energy stored. Where is the energy remaining energy lost is by pushing these charges to the wire, that is energy is converted into heat energy and other forms of loss. Only 50% of the energy work done is converted into stored energy in the capacitor. So you have to be careful with this question because energy stored in the capacitor is not equal to work done by the battery. Okay, it is only half work. So how much work done here is? Work done by the battery is QV, don't do it. Work done by the battery to store the charges means work done to capacitor means you take only half QV. Therefore, work energy stored equal to energy stored in capacitor is equals to half into work done by battery, which is equals to half into QV values. So I am talking about QV is very easy. So QV value is half Q. But Q is not given. You can calculate Q because you are given C and V. Capacity is 10 microfarad, 10 to the power minus 6 and V 100 volts. You can use that relationship or you can use any other relationship. But anyway is nothing but energy stored is nothing but equal to half C square. Energy stored is equals to half into C into V square, which is half into C. This is the energy stored I am calculating. Work done by the battery actually asked means 2 times of this. Only half Q, which is equals to C is 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 into V square. That is 100 into 100, which is equals to 4, 5 means minus 1, 1 by 2, 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 1 means, which is 0.05 joules. 0.95 joules. That is the energy stored in the capacitor. But question is, what is the work done by the capacitor? Work done by the capacitor, they are like this. Whatever for bundle battery is 2 times this. So you don't have to calculate this. You can just remember that relationship. Any one energy if you calculate, half that. Any one we can calculate. Half is that means if you remove half, remaining is nothing but work done by the battery. So half CV square we use no. Half you remove, just calculate CV square. That will be the work done by the battery. Therefore, work done by battery W is equals to 2 into energy of the capacitor, which is 0.05 into 2, which is 0.1 joules is the work. Half of the energy is stored in the capacitors. So you don't have to work out this, directly you can work out this sums. Or else you can have directly QV. How do you know Q? You know CQ. C equal to Q by Q equal to CV. From that also you can calculate. That is left to your choice. How do you save the time? Resistance. Next is 17th question. N identical charged spherical drops. N identical charged spherical drops. Spherical drops identical means same radius. Combine to form a big sphere, a large drop. Combine to form large sphere. Large sphere. The ratio of the potential of the small sphere to large sphere is 1:9. The ratio of potentials of small sphere to large sphere. Large sphere is 1:9. Find the ratio of the energy stored in the small sphere to energy of the large sphere. Find the ratio of energy of small sphere to large sphere. The surface energy. This small droplets, all identical droplets, n number, each radius is smaller and charge is small q. They combine and the energy I will take it as a small u or u naught. They all combine to form a big sphere of radius r. In this I give you the relationship. Total energy is constant, volume is also constant. So based on that relation, what you get is volume of the each sphere is 4/3 by r cube, small r cube. Here 4/3 capital R cube volume, but charge is quantized. N particles are there, so total charge becomes equal to n into small. And energy formula they ask. You get the potential of each small sphere potential relation to big sphere. Already I gave you the relationship, but relation we have to take for the r. Radius r equal to n to the power of 1/3. Okay, 1/3 into small r. What relationship? Another relation is q equal to nq relationship. Okay, and using this we will get the potentials on the surface. V big is equals to n to the power of 2/3 into V small. This also you need to remember this. Already we discussed before in the problems. Now we have asked this surface energy. Energy on the surface of the sphere. And energy is nothing but equal to q square by 4π/2 r is a formula. That by half it comes. Half comes means surface energy of the spheres. Surface energy is nothing but equal to half CV we can use, or half q square by 2 is any other formula. This in terms of the potentials or in terms of the charges if you are taken, half QV also we can use, of course. Half QV also we can use. Half into Q into potential is Q by 4π/2 into R is nothing but equal to Q square by 4π epsilon naught into R is a formula for surface energy. It is called as a surface energy of sphere with the charges. 4 into 2 is 8 units. Here to this formula, only formula we will also ask you. We discussed this point already before. They asked is ratio of the energies of the small sphere to big sphere. Small means not all together, single sphere they ask. All together means just multiply with n. Okay, total energy means n into energy of each sphere. But compared they are asking is ratio for one sphere to big sphere ratios. So potential ratio already they have given from us. What is the given relation is potential of small sphere to large sphere they give. This n identical droplets and potential of small sphere to large sphere is 1:9. So from this small to large potentials is 1:9. From that we can calculate what is the value of n. V small by V big is V small by V big is 1 by n to the power of 2/3 becomes. This value is given for us, that is 1 by 9. 1 by 9 can be written as in terms of this, no, 3 square we can write. Compare these two ratios. Therefore, n to the power of 2 by 3 is equals to 9. What is n to the power of 2 by 3? Sorry, what can be 9 can be written as equal to 9 equal to 3 square. Right. So I am writing this directly 9 as 3 square. So square cancels. N to the power 1 by 3 equal to 3, or you can write this n is equals to 3 square into 3 by 2. Power goes to the reverse. 2 to cancel. 3 cube is how much? 27. N value is 27. You get. Means how many drops are there we are getting from the ratio is 27 drops are combined elements. Next we have to take the ratio of the energies. What is the ratio of the energies? Small to big. So small energy is nothing but equal to this small cube use no, use a smaller. Big cube is no, use a bigger. That is the difference. The energy, surface energy. Right this side. Surface energy of small sphere. I am going to take the ratio only. So u small by u big, q by q square by r small, and big, next we get is bigger conservations. Surface energy u small, u small equal to q square by 8 pi epsilon into r, and u big is equals to capital Q square. Q square by 8 pi epsilon into capital U. Ratio they ask. Wherever capital Q is there, no, you have to replace with the n into small q. Capital is there, no, n to the power 1 by 3 into small. So this u small by u big I want. Small by u big is equals to q square by q square, calculate the common ratio square into small continuous by q by capital Q is L Q square into capital R is n to the power of 1 by 3 to small r by small r. This cancels, this also cancels. Left out is 1 by n square into n to the power of 1 by 3. It can be written as n to the power of 1 by 3 n to the power of minus 2. Now else we can take this down. That is 3 cube 27. N is combined we will take n to the power of 1 by 3 n to the power of minus 2. Here we will take the 1 by 3 minus 2 is 1 minus 6 n to the power of take to the denominator. This will be 1 by n to the power of 5 by 3. So you get that this is nothing but equal to 1 by n is how much we got is 27 is 3 q by 3. Q to the power of 5 by 3. This 3 cancels. The left out is 1 by 3 to the power of 5. What is 3 to the power of 5 ratio is? So this will be 1 is to 2. 3 to the power of 5 which is equals to 3 to the power of 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is 27 into 9. 243. 1 by 243 or minus 243 is the answer. That is the fourth option. Be careful that star is given for third option. Now you go for the fourth option. Change the star to fourth option. Okay. So some questions, now I am correcting this one. Like that some questions I don't correct the options, star may be wrong. I will come to know whether students are doing or not. Because they come up with the wrong, different answer, they will ask them. Then I come to know they are working up that problem. So you need to work out all the problems, then I come to know whether you are working or not. Change the star to fourth option. 1 is to 243. Next, 18th question. Work done in charging a capacitor from 5 volts to 10 volts is W. Work done to charge the capacitor from 5 volts to 10 volts means doubled. Volts to 10 volts is W. Find work done in charging the capacitor from 10 volts to 15 volts. Find the work done to charge the capacitor from 10 volts to 15 volts. What is stored as the energy only. What is the formula for energy of the capacitor is half CV square. But now what you are doing is you are changing the voltage of the battery so that the voltage is changing means energy is to changes also changes. So you are taking the capacitor, connect to the battery. Battery is variable voltage. This is C. So water is also changing in this case. So what we take here is half CV square. Whatever formula is there, energy stored in the capacitor. Energy stored in capacitor equal to half CV square. When V is changing, don't take V2 minus V1. You have to take V2 minus V1 square. Don't take energy difference. You have to take. So half C V2 square minus half C V1 square. So what done to change the energy from one energy to other energy, one voltage to other voltage? Half C common out V2 square minus V1 square. Work done or energy stored to change potential from V1 to V2 is taken as a W1 or U1 because they give similar term to W, but taken as a term of the W1 is equals to half into C into final minus initial taken V2 square minus V1 square common. Substitute the values into this. Later I will do the substitution. Next, this is the first case. Second case, what is done is voltage is changed from 10 to 15. First 5 to 10. For I will take V3 to V4. W2 I will take. W2 is equals to half C into final value V4 square minus V1 square. We are asked to find out the W2 ratio you take. So V3 square. So W2 by W1. This is half C by 2 cancels. So if you take the work done only by the battery, also if you take a half won't be there for the battery work. So that anyway the ratio we are taking means that will be cancelled. What I take is W2 asked V4 square minus V3 square by V2 square minus V1 square. And given what? Given first voltage V1 is 5 volts and V2 is 10 volts. Difference is 5 volts, doesn't matter, but we are taking the square here. Next V3 is 10 volts and V4 is 15 volts. Take the ratio of these two. V4 means 15 square minus 10 square by 10 square minus 5 square. You have to find out the W2 is how much in terms of the W1. 15 square means 225. This is 225 minus 100 by 100 minus 25. This is 75. This is 75 and this will be 125. So what the calculation is? 5 by 3. So W2 equal to 5 by 3 times W1 is what? Next 21. I am skipping 19 and 20. Please try to work out that. Potential decrease means actually capacitance increases. Formula we have taken is E equal to Q by V. That problem formula. The hint it can be changed. You can change the hint and you can work out in your own way for 19th. Potential incomplete with the dielectric formula I gave you the relation C. That C equal to Q by V. You can take it as Q constant. You take it down to V. Or V or C, similar conditions. 21. The capacitor becomes 7 by 6 times original value. If dielectric strap thickness 2/3 of D, that is 2D by 3 actually, please check out that. Capacitance of the capacitor becomes 7 by 6 times original value, means with the L. Capacitance with medium. With the medium, I am writing short form of this, medium, C medium is equal to 7 by 6 times C air that volts. What is that? C air is C air is nothing but equal to epsilon A by D. C air equal to K air into epsilon naught A by D for the parameter resistance. This is a parameter capacitor. The K air is equal to how much is 1. Next what they told is but this medium cases. In the case of the medium, they introduce the dielectric. Thickness T is 2 by 3 times D. Dielectric thickness T is equals to 2D by 3. It is less than 1. Less than 1 means what? Incomplete with dielectric. T equal to D means fully filled. Fully filled means simply you get is C by equal to K into CAR. But it is not exactly equal to K into because incomplete, partially filled dielectric. Partially filled space with the dielectric. Inclusive with the plates, D is the distance with the plates, dielectric constant K equal to how much? K equal to K medium equal to how much? So K, no need to take, just leave it for capacitor. Next with the dielectric, the medium, incompletely filled, dielectric constant. K equal to how much? D is plate separation. Plates separation. So you put the capacitor, raised with separation D. Is the dielectric introduced. Constant is K, thickness is T, but total separation is D. Okay, capacitance only change. Batteries there or not doesn't matter. Income partially filled dielectrics. This relation is a basic condition we require. This is for the air already not. Partially filled with the dielectric. C medium equal to epsilon naught A by D minus T plus T by K is the relation. This is a K medium. But given is C medium is equals to given C with medium this value equal to 7 by 6 times C K. So C medium is epsilon naught A by D minus T plus T by K is equals to 7 by 6 into epsilon naught A by D is the relation. So cancel the common terms left and right side. Epsilon naught A we can cancel. Okay, and T also we can substitute. T is 2D by 3 unit. That I will take next. So you can write this as cross multiply this. 6D go to the left side. 6D is equals to 7 into D minus T plus T by K, which is equals to D 7 times D minus T. T is 2D by 3 plus 2D by 3K. LCM of this part only I am taking here, but if only this part of 3D minus 2D becomes equal to D by 3 will get. Okay, so left side is 6D. 6D is equals to 7 into D by 3 plus 2D by 3K. D left side right side common, you can cancel the D. Take out common the right side also, you cancel it. So left term is only 6 is equals to 7 taken to the bracket. We get this as 7 by 3 plus 14 by 3K. We want K expression. So 14 by 3K becomes 6 by 6 minus 7 by 3. This is 6 minus or cross multiplier. So if you take 3, you can take out common here, take the cross multiplication, that is left to your choice, but I am not doing that. 6 minus 7 by 3 is equals to 14 by 3K. So left side becomes is 18 minus 7 by 3. 18 minus 7 by 3 equal to 14 by 3K. This 3 cancels now. This is 11. 11 equal to 14 by K. We want K. 14 by 11. K is always more than 1. That is the answer. Which option is? First option. Okay, let's stop.